we're going to learn a little bit about the Sfirah that is called Hod of Malchut. And we don't have much left. Now, the whole week of Malchut, like I said, we're already talking about king, leader, and so forth. There's a saying from Chazal, from our sages, a Ma'amar Chazal, is Mi shera'ui liot melech, if a person is worthy to be a king, haketer holem oto, the crown will custom fit on his head. This is what our sages say. And the characteristic here is that the crown not only sits perfect, but it makes him look perfect. How many times did you go to a store, you put a jacket on, like as if it's tailored for you? Or something you put on you. I mean, I don't put jewelry on me, but some people, they put a piece of jewelry or a hat, custom made. It happens to me sometimes. One time, I went shopping, and I don't go shopping so often. Usually, when I shop, when I go on my tours to America, I will take one day, go into some outlets, go in, out, and get my clothes for the rest of the year. And one time, I was in one of my trips, and it was already towards the end, and I was like, I need to find a day, I need to buy stuff. I don't have anything. I need to buy underwear and socks and shirts, and I couldn't find time because every place that I went, Rabbi, I need you for 5 minutes, I have a question. And the whole time where I was there, I didn't even have a moment. At some point I was like, I gotta go buy some stuff. I went to some store, Hashem made such a miracle. I walked in, within like maybe 25 minutes I walked out, I had a full wardrobe. Everything that I needed was just there. Usually it takes you time till you find the color, till you find the size. This doesn't fit, that doesn't fit. I'm telling you, I walked in, walked out. It was like everything was waiting for me on the shelves. I just took one after the other, the shirts, the underwear, the socks, everything, chick, chick, chick. And of course, I went in, I put on a suit, I look in the mirror, this was like made for me. I go in, chick, chack, out. I'm telling you, 25 minutes, I bought my wardrobe for the whole year. So sometimes you walk into a store, you put a jacket on you, or whatever, a sweater, and it's like tailored on you. So our sages say, if the person is worthy to be the king, you will just put the crown on the person's head. It will custom fit the head and make the crown look good. Not only the king, also the crown look good. This is what our sages say. In Hebrew it says, Mi shera'ui liot melech, haketer holem oto. The one who's worthy to be the king, or supposed to be the king, the crown will befit him.